Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So browsers like Vivaldi, Edge, Brave all have a native VPN that's built into the browser. And it seems now in Mozilla's bid to get the Firefox web browser up to scratch to match other mainstream web browsers, Mozilla is now wanting to do the same because apparently Mozilla is now experimenting with a new feature called Firefox VPN, which is a free browser-only VPN built directly into Firefox. Now, don't get this confused with the paid version of Mozilla VPN, which protects your entire device. The free version, which is now in testing, Firefox VPN, is designed just for browsing inside Firefox and will be rolled out to a small subset of users. So Mozilla is A/B testing the feature. And unfortunately, I'm not one of those who was chosen to A/B test the feature, but I'm just going to use a couple of screen grabs from Windows Report, and I'll leave the article from Windows Report in the description. So basically how this will all work, if you are randomly selected, which as I mentioned, I'm not, you'll see a VPN setup prompt in the Firefox toolbar. So that'll be here to the top right if you are selected. And you'll need to sign in with a Mozilla account to activate it. And once it's turned on, Firefox then will route your browsing traffic through a VPN server available in the United States. And the good news is if you don't require the feature, you can also remove the icon if you're not interested from your toolbar. And Mozilla says that it collects only minimal technical data if you are concerned about privacy, such as connection success or bandwidth usage. It says to improve the service, and it also says it does not log the websites you visit or the content of your browsing, according to Mozilla. And if you're unaware of what a VPN is, basically a VPN improves privacy by routing your web traffic through, in this case, a Mozilla managed VPN server or servers. And what it does is it hides your real IP address and adds a layer of encryption to your browsing. And since it's limited to Firefox, apparently it won't cover other apps or background activity on your device. So as mentioned earlier, Firefox VPN, which we are talking about today, is free and it's browser-based only and experimental at this stage, protecting only traffic inside of the Firefox browser. And Mozilla VPN is different because that's a paid subscription that covers your entire device, up to 5 devices, including apps outside the browser. So just take note of that. And obviously, if I am selected in the future, I'll post and let you guys know. But let me know in the comments, are you seeing the VPN? Have you been selected to A/B test the feature? Let me know down below in the comments. Would be interesting to know how far this kind of rollout is. And if I get any more news, obviously, I'll keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.